You scared?
Hello! Papunta kami ngayon sa Eat Street. Ayan, Saturday. Akala ko walang gala. Meron pala.
Hello! Say hello, guys!
There's a show there for kids.
I don't know.
Gamit ko pala, hindi yung cellphone ko. Gamit ko yung camera ng anak ko. Kaya maganda.
Tamad na
Nanay, guys.
Here na kami.
Oh my God.
Kararating lang namin. Ayan, mabuti nga nakapag-park na kami.
Oh! Whoa! You wanna go up? Oh, mga pasahero.
Bakit dyan masak?
Oh, there. Cass. You wanna go right there, Cass? Beside me.
Oh my God.
No, beside me, baby. The two of us.
Yan, ticket na.
Grabe. Yan ang ticket na.
Let's go! Bye, Gary!
Guys, this
Bye, baby.
See you!
Sasakay daw kami dyan kahit ayaw ko. Sasakay daw kami dyan. Yan o. Tingnan. Ayan, sina Embel. Andito naman si Nata. Ayan. Ako kasi ang mag-hawak ng camera kaya ako mag-driver. gusto rin niya, oh. Nainggit kay kuya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Thank you! May pakonsuelo, oh. Para hindi lang umiyak yung bata. Binigyan pa rin, para hindi umiyak may Wala.
Ah, halika.
Pasok na kami.
So,
Ang bango-bango ng pagkain. Nakakagutom. Ayan, buti na lang nakakuha ng
hanap lang kitang mga
mesa.
May sugot.
Dito pipili si nanay ng para sa mga bata.
Wow.
Yun na.
Let's go.
Number 1. Ayan po.
Di ko alam kung dito ako pipili sa Turkish. Ano kaya ang mga nandito? Dito kami nag-order. Yan ang in-order ko sa Brazilian food. Yan naman ang in-order ni Yan naman ang in-order ni nanay.
Pinasok pala.
Ano kaya kung kayanin itong bulinggit? Yan, oh.
Feeling ko daw yung kaya yan ni Gary.
Gary pa?
Dati dahil siya dyan tinugot. Si Gary ang pinasok.
Gary, you're next.
Wala, baka matakot si Gary.
sasakyan ni Batman, oh. Sus! Grabe.
Where are we, Cass?
We're at the haunted house.
The spooky ride. You ready? You ready? Huh? You ready? I'll be brave. No, no. Oh, yes. Hello, Nanay. Ano? You okay? Ano? You wanna hug me? Yes. Don't be scared, huh? No, it's not that scary, okay? Okay. Here we go. It's not that scary. See? Going in. Going in. What's here? What's in here, Cass? What's that? See? It's not that scary. Are you scared? You scared? See? See? It's not that bad, Cass. See? Oh, oh. See? He's just say hi.
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 Hey, buddy.
Hello. Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Are we going in? Whoa. What's in here? There's nothing in there, Cass. Oh, nothing. Okay. Hello. Hello. It's no. Hello. Hi. Ah! Finished. Oh, see? Are you scared?
No.
I told you.
What do you see in there?
You can watch the video.
What do you see in there?
Nothing. There wasn't anything in there. Cass, look at me. Anna, look at me. Were you scared? I told you it wasn't scary.
You know what?
What? What?
I heard someone screaming.
But did you close your eyes?
What do you saw?
Did you see what?
Do you see some zombies?
Yes.
Is it only zombies?
Yeah, just pretend zombies. What did you say?
He got
Do
frightened.
it again. What did you do?
There was a man.
Then?
And it sounded. And I got frightened. And it frightened me.
It frightened you a lot or a little?
A little.
Okay.
It frightened me a lot.
What's that?
Pretend I'm eating it.
I'll do it again.
Hey,
Iron Man. Oi. Batman.
He-Man. He-Man.
Gorilla Man.
Gorilla Man.
King Kong.
King Kong. Baby Shark.
Put the word King Kong.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Iron Man. Superman. Ay, talaga.
Batman.
That's like, do you see a clown zombie? A clown?
Pogi,
Let me
pogi.
see the clown zombie.
Oh, guna. Kami.
Go na ka mo.
Go, picture mo.
Go, go.
Ayan ang mga nakuha ng mga bata oh, sa 8th Street.
Hey, Jola.
Tsaka yan oh, favorite niya.
Oh, gosh.
Hello, andito na kami, nakauwi na kami. Ang oras is 9 o'clock na. Sana magustuhan ninyo itong video to. And sana kung nagustuhan ninyo, ipaki-click mo ang subscribe tsaka paki-like. Thank you. Salamat.